In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I made this delicious Ghanaian palm nut soup, or what the Nigerians call Banga soup. Yes, one of the amazing soup we have in Ghana. So please stay tuned and let's do this together. Hello and welcome back. If you are new here, you are welcome to my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So let's get started. Alright, first off, to my pot, we'll add in my goat meat, then goes in some cow skin, also known as wile. To that is my blended spice. So this is just onion, garlic, ginger, dry rosemary, and some pepper. Also, we'll add in my season of choice. So guys, I've listed all the measurements and the ingredients in the description box, so please do check it out. We'll add in some water, then goes in some tomato paste, okay? We'll give it a quick stir and cover to cook until it is tender or soft. Meanwhile, in a separate pot, I have 2 tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, medium-sized onion. We'll add in water, then allow it to boil up. So while I wait for the meat and vegetables to be done, we'll go ahead to prep my palm fruit cream. So I love this particular one, okay, because it tastes so good. But they have different brands that you could use too. So I'll just go ahead to add in some hot water. We'll mix everything together, then set it aside. I would like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for the love and support. God richly bless you. Alright, after 6 minutes, the vegetables are ready. So we'll go ahead to transfer it into my blender. Then blend it until nicely smooth. Okay, so after 20 minutes of cooking the meat halfway through, we'll go ahead to add in some smoked turkey. So with the meat, you can choose any protein you want, okay? We'll then go ahead to give it a gentle stir. Wow, my kitchen smells amazing already. We'll go ahead to cover it and continue cooking. Okay, at this point, I'll gently pour in my diluted palm cream juice and also making sure that the black particles stays on the bottom, just like this, okay? Next, we'll add in my blended vegetables. We'll then go ahead to rinse it, then pour it back into the soup. Also, I added water to make it lighter, okay? But you can totally omit it. We'll give it a quick mix, then add in my fresh mackerel. Next is to add in another smoked fish. Then give it a quick mix and cover it halfway because we don't want it splitting all over, and allow it to boil up for a good 20 minutes. We are back. So because I don't want my fish to be broken into the soup, we'll remove it and set it aside. If you've watched up to now and you've not yet subscribed, please consider to subscribe and join this amazing family. And trust me, you're gonna love it here. Thank you and God bless you. Guys, I almost forgot to add in my precursor. Hey, how can I make this authentic palm nut soup without adding in my precursor? for extra flavor. We'll give it a quick mix and allow it to continue cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead to add in my cooked fish, okay? We'll give it a quick stir, add in some pepper for extra heat, and allow it to simmer for additional 5 minutes. At this point, we'll add in my salt to taste, give it a gentle stir, allow it to simmer for a few minutes, and our benkwai will be ready. Look at this amazing soup, finger licking. Oh my goodness. It looks so good, flavorful, and so delicious. Please head to your kitchen and make this, okay? This soup is so versatile. You can have it with your fufu, like I'm having today, with your rice balls, or many more. Okay, thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.